What makes a keyword difficult to rank for in search engine results? How do marketers determine which keywords are worth targeting in their SEO strategies? These questions lie at the heart of understanding keyword difficulty, a crucial concept in search engine optimization or SEO that impacts the success of digital marketing efforts. Hello everyone, this is Karanjot and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be understanding what is keyword difficulty and how a keyword difficulty score can help you to make educated decisions about your prospects of ranking for specific terms on the search engine result pages. Now, let's start by understanding what is keyword difficulty. Now, keyword difficulty is a keyword metric that indicates how difficult it will be to rank highly for the term in Google's unpaid search results. It's typically expressed as a percentage, with 100% indicating that the keyword is extremely competitive and it will be very hard to rank on Google's first page. People who are new to SEO may confuse keyword difficulty with competition. Now, competition only refers to paid search results, while keyword difficulty applies to organic search results. Now, let's understand why is it important to understand keyword difficulty. Number one is efficient resource allocation. By accurately assessing keyword difficulty, marketers can allocate resources more efficiently, focusing their efforts on keywords with manageable level of competition. This prevents wastage of time and resources on overly competitive keywords that may yield minimal returns. Number two is strategic targeting. Now, keyword difficulty guides strategic keyword targeting, allowing marketers to prioritize keywords that align with their website's strengths and objectives. This strategic approach enhances the likelihood of achieving desirable rankings and attractive, relevant traffic. Number three is competitive analysis. Now, knowledge of keyword difficulty enables businesses to conduct competitive analysis effectively. By evaluating the competitiveness of keywords targeted by competitors, organizations can identify opportunities for differentiation and develop tailored strategies to gain a competitive edge. Number four is performance marketing. Now, keyword difficulty serves as a benchmark for measuring the performance of SEO efforts. Tracking changes in keyword difficulty over time provides insights into market dynamics, algorithm updates, and competitor activities, enabling marketers to adapt their strategies accordingly. Number fifth is return on investment. Understanding keyword difficulty helps in assessing the potential return on investment associated with targeting specific keywords. By considering factors such as search volume, conversion rates, and competition, marketers can prioritize keywords with the highest likelihood of delivering favorable ROI. Number six is long-term sustainability. Effective management of keyword difficulty contributes to the long-term sustainability of SEO efforts. By targeting a balanced mix of low, medium, and high difficulty keywords, businesses can diversify their traffic sources, reduce dependency on highly competitive terms, and build a robust online presence. Now, let's discuss how to calculate keyword difficulty score. You can easily find any keyword's KD% with a keyword difficulty tool like SEMrush, Ahrefs, etc. Just type your keywords into the tool and you'll see the score in the dashboard, each of which implies the meaning of the keyword difficulty score. Now, other metrics that can help you evaluate the keyword difficulty scores are: number one is identify top ranking competitors for the target keyword. Number two is assess domain authority of competitors' websites. Number three is evaluate page authority of specific ranking pages. Number four is analyze backlink profiles of competitor pages. Consider on-page optimization factors. Number six is evaluate content quality and relevance. Number seven is factors in search volume of the keyword. Now let's understand what is a high or low keyword difficulty score. In general terms, a high difficulty keyword has a lot of competition, making it more challenging to rank highly in the organic search results. Whereas low difficulty means that the competition isn't as fierce. You might find less relevant results and may spot some niche websites that aren't household names. Now, what are the strategies that can help overcoming the keyword difficulty? High difficulty keywords pose challenges, but implementing effective strategies can enhance a website's competitiveness. Number 1 is long tail keywords. By targeting long tail keywords, more specific and less competitive, your website can attract relevant traffic and establish authority within its niche over time. Number 2, content optimization. Crafting high quality optimized content tailored to target keywords enhances relevance and boosts the chances of ranking well for competitive terms. Number 3 is link building. Building a diverse and authoritative backlink profile through strategic initiatives strengthens your website's authority, enhancing competitiveness in search results. Number 4 is niche targeting. Focuses on niche-specific keywords and topics, allows your website to differentiate itself and compete effectively against broader, more competitive keywords. Number 5 is continuous monitoring and adaptation. Now, SEO requires ongoing monitoring of keyword performance and adjustment of strategies to keep pace with evolving search trends and algorithms, ensuring sustained competitiveness. As we wrap up, understanding keyword difficulty is not just an option but a necessity in the realm of digital marketing. It serves as the compass guiding marketers through the intricate web of search engine optimization. By grasping the nuances of keyword difficulty, businesses can optimize their resource allocation, hone their strategic targeting, and gain invaluable insights into competitive landscapes. Moreover, it acts as a cornerstone for benchmarking performance, assessing ROI, and ensuring long-term sustainability in the ever-evolving digital landscape. If you have any queries, please get in touch with our SEO expert on WhatsApp or visit our website link. Hope you've enjoyed the insights. Drop a like, share your thoughts, and hit the subscribe for more expert tips. Thanks for tuning in.